What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back again to Best Media News channel. In this updates, people, man killed, woman injured by a gunman in Manchester. A man was shot dead and a woman was shot and injured by a gunman in Belretiro near Richmond in Manchester on Thursday night, people. The police has named the now deceased as Alfredo Ferguson, otherwise called Six. Residents said Ferguson was a construction worker who also went by alias Blacks. According to the police reports, about 8:45 p.m., Ferguson and the woman were having a conversation in the yard when gunmen attacked them and opened gunfire on them. They reportedly run in separate directions. Ferguson collapsed on a dirt track road. The two injured people were taken to the hospital where Ferguson was pronounced dead and the woman was treated for a gunshot wound in her hand. In St. Andrew, man believed to have committed suicide shortly after mowing down a cop and a woman. The police are now probing a case of suicide after a man who reportedly attempted to mow down a woman and a police constable who intervened in a dispute was found hanging in a house in the Old Pasture area of St. Andrew this morning. According to the initial reports, people, about 7 a.m., the constable attached to the police counter-tourism and organized crime investigation branch was driving to work when he saw a woman jumping from a Honda CR-V vehicle in the Old Pasture area. The police constable stopped the vehicle and rushed to the assistance of the lady. The driver of the CR-V reportedly turned the vehicle and mowed down the constable and the woman. They were taken to hospital where they have since been admitted. Police investigators tracked down the vehicle to the house in Old Pasture where they saw it parked in a yard. During a search of the premises, a man who believed to be the driver was seen hanging inside the house. He was pronounced dead on the scene. The police are yet to release the name of the deceased. Two men killed in alleged confrontation with cops. The two men are dead following a confrontation with cops in downtown Kingston on Friday morning. The deceased have not yet been identified. According to the police reports, gunmen traveling in a blue Toyota Vitz motor car shot and killed on Orange Street in the vicinity of Chan Quality Funeral Home. Two of the men were fatally shot during the alleged confrontation with cops. As a result, the gunmen crashed into a post in the vicinity of the Jamaica Fire Brigade station. More details to come. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Subscribe and turn on post notification. So every time I post a new video, you get it fresh, my people.